All right, so here's the final push here. We're going to go ahead and try a 3-bit image, and then we will wrap up here. All right, so we're going to go ahead and duplicate this sheet. You can guess it, we're on a 3-bit image. 3-bit image. All right, so here we go. We're going to go ahead and we're actually going to keep these rules here. And we're going to keep most of this. We're going to try to update this a little faster. All right, but what we're going to do is we're going to update this. So let's go ahead and click on the top left corner to make sure all these rules get updated. So here are the possibilities. If we have 3 bits, these are 2 bits. We need 1 more bit. So off, 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 off will be that white color. All right, this one is off, 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 on. So it'll be black. This one will be, let's see, 0 on, off. Okay. This one right here, we have to put an off at the beginning. So far we have these combinations, right? We're going to keep adding a few more here, and that'll just give us more colors, right? So we're going to go ahead and add another rule. If text is exactly, which one do we have so far? We have 3. No, I think we did that one, right? So we'll say, for example, this will be red, right? Yeah, so that'll be red. And then we've got 3 more possibilities, okay? So we're going to add another. So all of these should say A1 of P16, A1 of P16. If you mess them up, just delete it and redo it. And make sure this is always selected like that. Okay, and then we have if text is exactly 1, let's see, we could go with, we could say that we got a brown. So one of these browns, I'll go with the corner brown there. All right. And then we're going to add another rule here. What am I looking at? Text is exactly 10. And then we could say that this is kind of like let's say a lighter green. So a slightly different green. Which one did I do it? You know what? Let me do this really dark green just so you can know which one I'm choosing there. Okay, and then we've got one more that we can add. And text is exactly, and this is 111. And I'll choose this. We had the dark brown. We're gonna go with the kind of lighter brown. Okay, which is, it says dark orange. Let's see. Yeah, we'll go with this one right here. So this is a dark brown. Skip one, and then skip another. So it says dark orange 3 there. All right, as the choices. Okay, so now we've got all of those rules there. Okay, and so now what we're gonna do is, let me see if I remember all of these. Okay, all the double zeros we're gonna replace with triple zeros. Here's how we're gonna do that. Okay, make sure you click on this corner one. So I'm gonna click on something here. I'm gonna click on the corner one again, and I'm gonna do edit, find and replace. I want to replace the double zeros, all the double zeros, and choose match entire cell contents. We want to replace with 1, 2, 3 zeros. Right? So we're going to replace all of that. And so all those got replaced there. Right? Hit done. And now, same thing, click in the middle somewhere, select everything again by clicking the corner one, edit, find and replace. What do we want to find? Everything with a 1, 0. And what do we want to replace that with? Let's see. We're going to replace that with 0, 1, 0. So off, on, off. And then we want to match the entire cell contents. Say done. Did that not get replaced? Let's try to edit, find replace, find 0, 1, 0. Entire cell contents. Oh, I pressed done. Replace all. Okay, we're done. What am I missing? Done, done. Okay, so again, click in the middle, edit, find and replace. We want to replace on with off, on, match entire cell contents, replace all. Done. All right, and then these right here, we're gonna, same thing, click in the middle, click off on the side, edit, find and replace, find all the 0, 1s and replace them with, we'll say on, match entire cell contents and replace all. Say done. And now I can just be a little creative here. So all the apples should be this color. So it should be on, off, off, 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 on, off, off. Let's see. Let's say all of these down here should be this dark green for the grass. So we'll say is on, off. On, off. So now I'm just going to copy these values across. That's the grass. Okay. And this part of the tree, I'm going to make it a different shade of brown. So it's on, off, on to show like there's a shadow there. On, off, on, off, on, off, on. Kind of like a shadow there, right? And did I use that one? I used that one. Yeah, we pretty much used all the colors there. We can put a black here to represent the shade. So this is 0, 0 on, 0, 0 on, 0, 0 on, 0, 0 on. Okay. And now, just to make it easier to look at here, because it's pretty tricky to look at with all the pink, I'm going to select the corner square, and let's change our text here. We'll change it to white. Might be a little easier to look at. There we go. And so now we could see where all the colors are, where they came from, but we've got an image there that we've got completed. So now we've got an example of, we're going to 1-bit image. Here, let's change that to white as well. Corner cell there, change that to white. So that's what a 1-bit image looks like. Only 2 colors. A 2-bit image, click the corner one, make the text white. We've got 4 colors, and a 3-bit image. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 colors, and it's starting to look more realistic, right? So 1-bit image, 2-bit image, 3-bit image. And as you can tell, as we get more advanced with computers, the images are coming out clearer and crisper, and more colors are possible. Thank you. At this point, make sure you click on share on the top right corner, click share, get the shareable link, or click on the name of the teacher who you want to share this with. So right here, add your teacher so that your teacher can review your work.